Welcome to our tutorial on how to translate courses in Easygenerator. To translate the course, click into the Configure step and then select Language on the left side. In the Course Translation tab, select the Automated Translation Amazon AWS option and click on the Translate Course button. Click on the Add Languages button to select your desired languages. You can add more than one language at a time. For each language, you can add a dedicated co-author who will proofread the translation. You can also add co-authors in the translated courses directly when you open them. Once you have selected your desired languages, click Translate Course button. You can then open the list of translated courses or go back to your original course. You will find the translated courses in your course dashboard under My Courses.